Welcome to Turkey Thumpers. In this episode, we're talking about Chuck and Gabbie hunting in Georgia. Now, this is the last in a three-part series that we've been showing on Turkey Thumpers. And so this one's in Georgia. Now, Chuck had roosted the bird the night before, and they snuck back in about 10 o'clock and put this tent in this field trying to get on this bird. Now, let me tell you something. Chuck and Gabbie have been hunting hard in Georgia. They hunted all during spring break, and they hunted off and on. And then they went to Kansas, and they got those two beautiful birds that we showed you. And then they came back to Georgia and got this bird. Now, that's one little 12-year-old that's been hunting really hard. I've been really impressed, and I've been proud of her. So anyway, they're sitting in this tent, and they got this tent, and they got the decoy facing one direction. Well, it turns out that that bird went somewhere else or something, but another bird come all the way across, probably about 800 yards across this field with a hen behind them. And Chuck had to move the camera from the big window with the decoys out the side. So as you can see in there, he's sitting right on the property line, right next to a hot wire and a cow pasture. You can hear the turkey drumming and gobbling right behind him, but the gobbler won't quite commit and come on in. So he's filming out of this tent window, trying to get Gabbie situated so he can shoot and all this stuff. So there's a lot going on. So the video is kind of not great like the other two hunt, but you know, when you're turkey hunting, you're doing the best you can, and he did a pretty good job as we got the kill shot. And she popped this bird. It was 40 yards, and she laid it out with a 20 gauge, so I was real proud of her that. So anyway, the hen actually came up and started fighting with the decoys, and you can hear some fighting purrs. And the hen came back around through that window, and then eventually she eased off the other way. And as soon as she eased off the other way, sure enough, he come out of this cow field, and she laid the smack down on her for her third bird. Now, for a 12-year-old to shoot 3 birds, that's something else. And I'm real proud of her. So, and thanks for Chuck for videoing. So, enjoy this video and stay tuned. Hopefully, we'll have a few more Turkey Thumpers. Turkey season kind of winding down a little bit, but I think we've got some more kills in store for you guys. So, thanks for watching Turkey Thumpers.
You might ask yourself, what is Turkey Thumpers all about? It's about hunting with family, spending time with friends. It's about hunting in God's great outdoors. And oh yeah, thumping turkeys. Did I say thumping turkeys?
And I did.
So stay tuned to the 2012 season of Turkey Thumpers.
Hey everyone, this is my first turkey in Georgia. I'm up to 3 now, so I took the lead. This morning it was really cold, so we thought he was roosted to the left of us, but he was roosted to the right. So it took like 30 minutes for us to call him over. Thankfully a hen came over and brought him towards us. And so when he came, he was past 20 yards, and I was still mad at these Georgia birds, so I wasn't going to let him go. So I shot him and I killed him.